What's up, guys? Island Life Fishing here. Thanks for stopping by. Dude, my name is Ed. This is Brandon. Our goal with this channel is to teach you guys how to fish better. Yep. So, man, stay tuned. Check out a couple videos. If you like what you see, hit subscribe, man. We really appreciate it. Yep. Tap that bell, and you won't miss anything for 2019, man. We're going to teach you stuff every Thursday, right?
It's going to be sick.
Let's go. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by, guys. All right, guys, check it out. So when we're fishing for mackerel, we want to use the smallest amount of tackle possible. So we're going to tie an all bright knot straight to it, okay? Oh, dude, it's a big fish. Holy giant cuda on the 2000. That is a monster. Come here, man. Come here. Look at that. On a 2000, guys, on a freaking peacock bass rod. Giant barracuda right there. Look at that X-Wrap, guys. You literally get these things anywhere at freaking Walmart, at Buy Me Bait Shack. Buy Me Bait Shack, dude. Freaking, yeah, they got them. Dude. All right. Huge cuda. Yeah. First freaking Goliath grouper right there. Yeah. In the back country. And bam, he wrecked it. Beautiful little fish. Look at them teeth. Dude. Oh, he gone. Guys, beautiful koi fish right here, going back home. No tarpon. Look how brown he is, look how beautiful, dude. What's up? Smash the crystal middle right next to the boat. This little amberjack goes back in. Gone. Shoo! Tuna on, baby! Yeah, baby. I don't think you can eat this whole thing, buddy. Oh my gosh, guys, that's a gorgeous fish right there. Monster sea trout right there from the bank. Freaking giant. Too. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful redfish. Silver out of that murky water. Oh, gotta relax. We do fishing. We're gonna bring you videos. This one sucks pretty bad, huh? Yeah. Let's do it again. It's a freaking blooper. Let's try again. Man, I actually messed that up. What's up? Island Life Fishing here. Dude, I actually can't think of this channel is pretty much dedicated.